Namaste, I am Suresh Mukta. My son Samir Mukta was suffering from severe stomach pain, and on 30th December 2022 he was admitted in this Yashoda hospital at Aortic city, Hyderabad, and he was initially by Dr. Rajshekhar, and he detected that he is suffering from some calcium was deposited in his walls. So the doctors advised him to go in surgery. So under the able directions and able advice, Dr. Vikram Reddy sir, surgery was done on 30th January 2022, and it was successfully completed, and now my son is totally recovered from his problems. Today we are discharging, and here in this hospital the nursing services and as well as total services are very satisfactory. We are very happy. Thank you very much. And doctor, and once we appreciate and our very much gratitude is there towards Dr. Vikram Reddy and Dr. Rajshekhar and towards Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad. Thanks very much.